Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to keep text on the same line. So for example, I will create two paragraph. Okay, this is one, and the next create again paragraph. This is two. You can click File, Save, and then refresh on the browser. So to be show below the text here, these two paragraph. So if you want to move this paragraph in the same line, you can use the style element and then type display. Now we can choose inline like this. Okay, I will create again in these points, style, display, inline. Now you can click File, Save, and then refresh. The words will be moved on the same line. Okay, that's it for basic Visual Studio Code HTML, how to keep text on same line.